Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use an O2 Detan pack. First, always begin with a clean canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. Your skin should be completely dry before you apply the pack. It's also a good idea to perform a quick patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin to check for any sensitivities. This ensures a safe and effective experience. Now, let's talk about application. Take a generous amount of the O2 Detan pack and apply an even layer across your face and neck. Be sure to avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes and mouth. You can use your fingertips for a gentle application or a soft brush for more precise and smooth coverage. Aim for a consistent thickness for best results. Once applied, it's time to let the pack work its magic. Allow it to dry completely, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, try to relax and avoid talking or making any facial expressions to prevent cracking. When it's dry, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water, using soft, circular motions until your skin is clean. After rinsing, gently pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. Avoid rubbing, as your skin might be a little sensitive. The final, crucial step is to apply a good hydrating moisturizer. This helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and supple after the treatment. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.